Hey, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we deployed a vanilla Docker instance of MISP. Today, we're going to be setting up an organization and creating two users, one with the site admin role and the other with the org admin role. This will be to perform various tasks within MISP. And these steps are going to be helpful for managing your MISP instance effectively. So let's go ahead and get started. The default login, if you don't specify anything, is going to be admin.test, and the default password is admin, all lowercase. Let's come up here to administration and list, or actually add organizations. We're going to leave the local organization tick box checked, and Blue Team Defenders is going to be our organization name. Generate a UUID, and let's put in some type of description. Feel free to fill in the rest of this information, but for the purposes of this, we are going to leave it blank. So now that everything is created with our organization, we need to add some users. So again, the two users, or user roles rather, that we're going to be filling, one's going to be the site admin, and the other will be a org admin. So we can start with the site admin first. There are password complexity requirements, if you will. If you hover over the I right here, it'll tell you what everything is. Select our organization, and the role is going to be admin. We can unselect all these options at the bottom. Let's go ahead and add our second user. Blue Team Defenders for the org. And for the role, we are going to select org admin. This is a good daily driver type role, one that would have plenty of power, if you will, for an analyst. But that's for you to determine in your own organization. So for demo purposes, I'm logged in right now, by the way, just as the local site admin. Or these are all local accounts, but the default site admin, if you will. So I'm going to come down here to the CTI user, which is the org admin. Let's click on this pencil and paper icon for the edit, and I'm going to uncheck user must change password. Okay, now let's verify these accounts actually work. CTI user. Great. I'm logged in as the CTI user, which has the org admin role. If I hover over administration, you are going to see that my access is rather limited. So a lot of the higher level administration aspects do not apply to this user role, um, as well as the sync actions. I can't set up any external server syncs, and there's a number of other differences. So let's now log in as our site admin. And quickly you can see if I hover over administration, all the more administrative tasks tabs are back. I can set up remote server syncs. Um, so yeah, the MISP documentation lays out pretty well what the difference is between all the different roles. If you want to go check that out, it's listed on their site. So to recap, we've set up a new organization, created 2 user roles for 2 users, a site admin and a org admin. And this is going to help for managing the MISP instance effectively going forward. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. We'll dive deeper into MISP. Thanks.